There are a few things to consider when choosing the best projector for office. The first is the purpose of the projector. If you will be using it for presentations, then you will want a model with high resolution and brightness. If you will be using it for movies or gaming, then you will want a model with good contrast and color saturation. The second thing to consider is the environment in which the projector will be used. Our first choice is Epson's VS263 Chip 3 LCD XGA projector. This is a great choice for the office. It has a native resolution of 1024 by 768, making it perfect for projecting documents and presentations. The projector also has a brightness of 2500 lumens and a contrast ratio of 2000:1, making it easy to see even in well-lit rooms. Our second choice is the Uvision native 1080p projector. This projector is suitable for office and it's a great way to get crisp, clear images projected onto your wall or screen. This projector is easy to set up and use, and it produces high-quality images that are perfect for presentations or movies. The Uvision native 1080p projector is a great choice for anyone who wants a reliable, high-quality projector for their office. If you need this product details, please check our video description. You'll get the product link. You can buy this from there easily. Our third choice is the Optoma EH412 1080p HDR DLP professional projector. This projector is a perfect choice for those who are looking for a reliable and affordable projector for their office. The projector is equipped with HDR10 and HLG compatibility, which allows it to produce vivid images with accurate colors. In addition, the projector has a native resolution of 1080p, making it ideal for presentations and other business applications. Our fourth choice is the Viewsonic M2 1080p portable projector. This is the ideal projector for office use. It is bright and clear, making it perfect for presentations and meetings. The M2 is also very easy to set up and use, with a simple interface that anyone can understand. Additionally, the projector is very lightweight and portable, so it can be easily moved from one location to another. Our last choice is Ailessom native 1080p 5G Wi-Fi Bluetooth projector. This is the perfect device for those who want to enjoy their favorite movies and shows in high definition. It has a compact design and it is very easy to set up. The projector has a native resolution of 1080p and it also supports 5G Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The projector is ideal for office use as it offers a great way to stay entertained during work hours. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel and give us a thumbs up. If you have any question, let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.